There is a whole section of suggested quick actions on the home page of Adobe Express. I confess I frequently forget about them. Quick actions are currently found underneath text effects. We can use the right arrow to scroll through a selection of quick actions or click View All to open a menu window. We can further refine the choice of actions with the tabs across the top. Trim Video appears both in the Social Media and Video tabs. Clicking Trim Video opens a new pop-up window where we can browse our hard drive for a video or drag and drop. Notice that our maximum size for the video is 1 GB. I've got a very bad video here of some Lake District countryside taken through the car window. While the video is uploading, I can use the playhead to scroll through and find where I might want my video to start and end. To trim the start point, drag the black handle with the double lines from the left-hand side of the video to the new starting point. Drag the handle from the right-hand side to trim the end point of the video. We can see the overall duration of the video as we're making these edits, so we can also trim according to time if we want to. We have two options when our video is trimmed: to download back to our computer or open in Editor, which will create a project in Adobe Express. I'll choose Download. Exporting the file may take some time depending on the size of your video. When it's completed the download, we are returned to the Trim Video window, where we can choose to open in Editor as well, or close the window and move on to something else. I'll create a project and maybe we'll be back to edit this video in another episode of How To in Adobe Express.